baby at home. You know, I don't get to see her much. But she home now. She home.
How does it feel to have your car, like, at the house? Definitely bloopers. What's...
Wait, I'm trying to put the door handle back so that way I can take it off of the camera.
Bruh. Oh my gosh. Did you break it?
No, it was already broken.
Oh god.
YouTube, welcome to the channel, Otaku Disciple, where we're going to be rebuilding this 1987 Mazda RX-7, and we have a lot of good stuff in store for it, some drift action, some power. It's going to be great. I hope you guys can tune in with us. So basically the plans for the car is to have the engine rebuilt. It's currently having that done right now. There's some little tiny goodies I won't go into detail about just for time's sake, but for the most part we're getting a full bridge, mild street port. We're going to go with Borg Warner S366 turbo twin scroll. We have our manifold all ready for it, our turbo smart wastegate. We're going to go with 4 1000cc injectors and a Walbro 340 with new fuel lines. We're probably going to do the upgraded, I don't know what it is right now, but the I guess the fuel lines that can be used for E85 too for in the future. Basically what we're going for right now is a potential build for up to 500 horsepower, but we're going to dial it back. Right now we have the naturally aspirated 5-speed gearbox in the transmission or in the car, and because of that we're just going to baby it a little bit and pull back and aim for anywhere from around 300 to 350 so that way we don't blow up the transmission. Outside of that, that's all we have for the drivetrain right now. We're going to do a basic intercooler setup and exhaust setup, probably something from like eBay or CX Racing. We have an eBay clutch stage 3 that's coming in for it, and a few other, like I said, a few other little goodies that we're going to throw into it, but it's going to be a pretty sick car. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to our first video here at Otaku Disciple. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you're willing to come back and see us for the next one. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bells, do everything, get involved. We'll do our best to make sure that we get involved back with you guys and make this a shared journey. So thanks for your time. See you next time.